It seems that everywhere we look these days, someone is trying to convince us that their way to get healthy is the best way. Between fad diet trends, supplements, and products that claim to work miracles, the world can seem like an amazing place full of wondrous technology that can help us to shed weight fast. And choosing between options is often overwhelming and difficult. So who is there to trust when we want to begin a healthy lifestyle? The answer is simple: nature. In nature, there is a natural balance that can be very delicate. If we veer away from natural practices and substitute things like healthy eating and exercise with pills and starvation, the obvious results will be detrimental to us. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn what the difference is between paleo, keto, vegan, or Atkins diets. You will learn what in the world does going paleo mean exactly. You will learn different ways to develop healthy habits. You will learn accountability and how to use it when going paleo. You will learn proven tips, tricks, meal plans, and awesome recipes to going paleo. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Living Paleo, the essential guide for getting naturally fit. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Why the paleo diet? What is the paleo diet and how does it work? The importance of developing healthy habits and ways to do so. The importance of accountability and how to use it when going paleo. Tips and tricks to going paleo. The paleo lifestyle, bringing it all together with exercise. Meal planning for the paleo diet. Sample recipes to get you started on your paleo journey. Plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually start getting naturally fit by living paleo. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to avoid choosing between diet trends, supplements, and products that claim to work miracles. You want to begin a healthy lifestyle. You certainly want to shed a few pounds, but the safe way. You want to feel great. You want to make choices that are healthy for you and that make you feel good. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Living Paleo cheat sheet valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Living Paleo Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Living Paleo Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to get naturally fit by living paleo, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If, for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you get naturally fit by living paleo. I'll see you on the inside.